The frame is angled up, right? But the tank is this way. What does that mean? I'm gonna raise the front end. If I can get it like that, it'll be pretty sick. Definitely enough. You can see how high that is. That's gonna be badass. Once you got the tank propped up, you can measure. You want to extend it by. In my case, I just did it this way. I just took two of this, and it was exactly what I needed. You know, that's not the best to cut a flat piece of steel, okay? I ran out of my last cutoff wheel, and I didn't want to waste that because I might have to cut a few other things. And then I didn't want to bring out the hacksaw. Anyways, got it cut, got the 2-piece, and that's going to be the extension right there. Is this stripped out Allen head bolt, which fits perfectly in there like that. And I'm going to cut that off. See, if I didn't have the cutoff wheel, I would have to bring out the hacksaw, drill a hole, and I'm good to go. Okay. Yeah, it's a perfect time, you know, during this corona to do projects. Ouch. I welded everything up already. Ooh, it's hot. Let's go warm up the koi pond a little bit. Get out of here. Ooh, yeah, there we go. That should do it. Dry it up good and let's go install it. I'm doubling up. Let's go see how it looks. It made the bike look much bigger. I like it. Later, guys.